Jagoro mong'ere migawo marango somo mag tije lwedo Esther Moria okwayo jo-Kenya mosebedo kaseyo piny owacho kuom manyo ne rawere tije pinje maoko mondo mi owe akweda ma kamago. Moria mane lose ka tiegruok mar tije lwedo manyiri okone thuolo mag tije ne rawere pinje maoko ema dhi kelo lokruok ahinya ne rawere moseketo somo to pok oyudo tije. Ma bire kinde ma moko kuom jopiny osebedo kaseyo piny owacho kuom tije ma gisebedo ka gisundo jopiny ne gimanyo ne rawere go e pinje maoko.
By the time these industries finish establishing in Kenya, and they are coming to establish in Kenya, we want to be able to tell these industries that we have got all these skills that are going to babysit your industries. A lot of noise has been going on, and I want to say, as far as I'm concerned, it is unnecessary noise, that we are sending a lot of young people to go out there and work. You can work anywhere in this world. You can work in Canada, you can work in Czechoslovakia, as long as you have a skill. So yes, young people can go out there and be able to work. Even new journalists, if today you are called to be a journalist in Trump's office, you would go.